Okay, here's how you find the least common multiples of three numbers. I usually take the largest one and start making a list. So 15, I usually make a list of 5 numbers to start out with. 15, and then 15 times 2 is 30. But if you don't like multiplying, you can add 15 each time. 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 plus 15 is 45, or you can look at that as 15 times 3, however you want. 15 times 4 is 60, and 15 times 5 is 85, and that should be more than enough. Now you want to look at the other numbers 2 and 3 and see if they go into each one. Well, 2 means it's an even number, so any of our odd numbers on our list, those are out. And then for 3, you want the least, you want the smallest one. So you can do 30 divided by 3, it's 10. So the smallest number that they have as multiples, the LCM, is 30. Now, if you didn't understand what I just did verbally, you can also write all these out. Let's start with the biggest one and then work our way down. So 10 is 10, times 2 is 20, 10 times 3 is 30, 10 times 4 is 40, 10 times 5 is 50. And then I'm going to do the 8. 8 times 1 is 8, times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24, times 4 is 32, and times 5 is 40. And then let's do the 4s. Actually, we don't need, 4 times 5 is 20, it's not big enough, but if you look at these, look at what they already have in common. The smallest number, the two biggest ones that these two have in common is 40. So you can ask yourself, can I do 40 divided by 4? And if the answer is yes, then that means 40 is also, I would have had to have made a list of 10 numbers here to find 40, but the LCM is 40. Okay, 15. I've already got a list of 15. 15, 30, 45, 60, and that's not 85, is it? It should be 75. Sorry about that. It should be, because 60 plus 15 is 75. Okay, and then 5. Well, actually, anything that ends in a 5 or a 0 is divisible by 5. So these are all, 5 goes into all of these. So then you want to see 2. 2, that's even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So the first even number is this one right here. So you can do 30 divided by 15 is 2, 30 divided by 5 is 6, and 30 divided by 2 is 15. So 30 is your least common multiple. Twelve, 9, and 4. I've got 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4 is 48. And 12 times 5 is 60. Okay, so 9. Which one of these numbers can you divide by 9? 36 is the smallest one. So then you look at the 4. 36 divided by 4, yes, you can do that. So since you can do 36 divided by all these numbers, and it's the smallest one that divides into it, that is your LCM. Okay, 10, 15, and 3. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Okay, 10, smallest one of those, 30 divided by 10 is 3. That works. So then you check the 3. 30 divided by 3 is 10. That works. So the LCM, the least common multiple, is 30. 9, 2, and 6. 9 times 1 is 9. Times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, then you go with the next number. The next biggest number is 6. So you can't do 9 but divided by 6, but you can do 18 divided by 6. That one's 3. So then you check the final one. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Yeah, all of these go into 18. So the LCM is 18.